Hey, welcome back to the morning show. Your time now is 6:43, and currently we have some low-lying clouds. Great shot of downtown First National Building, and you can kind of see the clouds. And also maybe a jogger going on by there, Mr. Mystery Man. And right there's some clouds. The cloud deck's down to about 700 feet in certain spots. So a great example of how low that ceiling is here. We're at 47 degrees, winds out of the north-northwest at about 8 miles an hour. Average low is about 41. Just about everybody above that except for Fremont, 41 degrees there, tying the average. Upper 40s in Omaha, Plattsmouth, even some lower 50s down to the south. Falls City now at 53, Maryville at about 50 degrees. All the rainfall from yesterday, about ½ inch, is long gone, but we're left with some very low-lying clouds. So low, in fact, it's kind of tough for the infrared satellite to pick them out, but you can see that thin veil of cloud cover, and we'll eventually scour that out. Mid to late morning, the afternoon looks sunny. So just kind of hang in there, be patient. The sunshine is on the way. Big arc of rain from Grand Forks all the way down through Illinois, all the way down to the Gulf Coast. All that rainfall to the east and south of us today. We're actually shifting our attention out to the west. Look at Denver. It's not a lot of snow, but after 1.5 feet of snow there this weekend, they certainly don't want to see any more. That's pretty much a dusting there from Denver down through Colorado Springs. Rain out ahead of it out across western Kansas. And the reason I show you that is because the low pressure associated with that is going to make a run for us by tomorrow. It's a very slow mover, so rain to the east today, rain to the west. We're going to keep it dry, but by tomorrow, it is a much different story. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, cloudy, for the most part dry here in town. Look at the rain build in tomorrow from the south to the north as that low pressure cell moves right over town. Looks like the heaviest rain, Omaha, out to the east, not quite as heavy out to the west. It'll spin to the north and the east by about 8, 9 o'clock tomorrow. Most of the rain is done. Some of it may slide in again overnight Wednesday into very early Thursday morning. And the rainfall totals look to be fairly substantial. Maybe more rain tomorrow than we had yesterday, especially from Omaha eastward. Maybe an inch of rain Omaha, maybe just a little bit less of that, 3/4 of an inch of rain here. Nonetheless, tomorrow is going to be a wet day, and because of that, we've raised threat tracker back in the moderate zone. We need the rainfall, still about 2 inches though in the hole as far as the yearly deficit, and it will help knock down the pollen levels. Today though, we're going to keep it dry after a cloudy and potentially a patchy foggy start. Gradual clearing, back in the sunshine by the afternoon with highs reaching 66. Tonight, the cloud cover rolls back in. We are dry through at least midnight, 51 degrees. The rain will start building in from the south to the north, and by tomorrow, it's a rather wet Wednesday. Look at that, kind of sloppy. Might even see some non-severe thunderstorms tomorrow, bringing some brief heavy rain. Highs tomorrow, 60 degrees, a lingering shower very early Thursday morning. Otherwise, Thursday's looking good. Some sunshine, 68, followed by what should be a dynamite weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, back in the sun. Lower 70s on Friday, close to 80 for the weekend, and maybe a slight chance of a Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening shower. We'll be watching that.